Hi everyone! Kumusta kayong lahat? I hope you're all doing great and welcome ulit sa ating Traders Plus YouTube channel by Melvin Jason De Vera. And this session po is tuturuan ko kayong gumawa ng economic calendar analysis para po mapaghandaan nyo rin or ma-develop nyo yung tinatawag na trading plan nyo for the coming week. So now I'm shooting this video on a weekend and tomorrow sa Monday, a start of a new week. So maganda po na bago pumasok yung week, naka-prepare po tayo. Alright, so let's get started. So una po, saan ba natin maaaring kunin ang ating economic calendar? So isi-share ko lang. Ako po, kinukuha ko po ito from the MyFX book. Alright, so dito mula sa MyFX book, meron na itong economic calendar tab and then all you have to do is just click on these three dots here and then download as a CSV. Alright, so that's comma separated values. So convert ko lang into an Excel file and you can do some customization on the tables. Alright, so let me show a finished product. Ayan. Alright, so antimano kapag po ito ay na-download nyo na. Ang meron lang diyan ay only hanggang dito sa currency. Alright, now what you will have to add are these columns. The difference between, alright, so first you need to get the difference between the consensus and the previous data. Alright, so given an event, there was a previously recorded data and a forecast or a consensus. Okay, so mostly, if consensus is greater than previous, that should be strong. Except kung ang data ay unemployment or jobless claims. Then a greater forecast is weaker dapat para sa currency. But all others except for unemployment or jobless claims, alright, dapat higher consensus is stronger for the currency. Alright, and then based on our impact, meron tayong dalawang kinukuha, medium and high. In my case kasi, I don't bother looking at the medium, at the low. No? So medium and high lang. So dito yan sa pagko-custom, alright? Pag-click nyo rito sa 3 dots, sa filter, ang kinukuha ko lang, ayan, medium impact at high impact. Hindi ko na po chine-check yung low impact tsaka yung no impact. Alright? Para i-limit po yung aking i-analyze. Alright. So then, ang ginagawa ko doon, lahat po nung mga high impact, ini-scorean ko ng 2. No? So instead of 1, I make it 2. And then, yun, negative 2 for mga high impact. And the medium impact for 1. Alright? Yan ay madali lang kasi meron ng filter button. So let's say the impact, gagawin ko lang high. There you go. And then I just change all the 1s to 2. Kaya makita nyo merong symbol dito na iba yung formula na parang inconsistent, di ba? Alright. Now, also, makikita nyo rin na bagamat ginagamitan ko na ng formula itong Excel, pagdating sa mga unemployment, find natin, makikita ninyo na dito rin sa unemployment, except on neutral, wala akong babaguhin diyan. Alright, but the next unemployment, if you would see, meron din siyang sign of inconsistency kasi minanual ko na na-change yan. Automatic sa formula, naka-week yan eh. So kung titingnan ninyo, ayan hindi siya formulated dito. Mano-mano na lang yan. But all others sa mga kasama niyan, kung makikita ninyo, naka-formula yan ng if. Alright? Now, taking a good look here, para bang madaling tingnan, no? But apparently, mahirap i-summarize yan kasi nakikita mo siya per day pero hindi mo ma-summarize per currency. Alright, so what I will do, samahan niyo ko ngayon, no, na gawin natin yung tinatawag na matrix. Alright, so now, I'm reserving this for everyone, no? Isa-summarize ko lahat ng sa US, okay, for Monday. Alright, so kakailanganin natin na gumamit ng tinatawag na slicer. So dito sa table design, insert slicer by currency. Alright. So now I'm going to click on US dollar, and here you go. I will see now every day, now Monday to Friday, for US dollar. So now we have September 8. Makikita nyo rito, i-highlight nyo lang yan, then dito sa baba may lalabas na sum. Alright, let me show that. So again, just point your mouse here, highlight. Kinolor code ko lahat lang ng September 8. So makikita nyo may shade yung September 8, and then sa baba may sum. The sum is negative 2. Right? The sum is negative 2. Therefore, I'm going now to go to my matrix and put September 8. This is September 6, 7, 8. Negative 2. Alright. Now, let's see the other days. September 9. We have positive 4. So go to the matrix. This is September 9, 4. And then we have September 10. All right. We have negative 2. Yeah, negative 2. Okay. So negative 2. Okay. So kung gusto niyo i-bold dito, just highlight and bold everything. Now let's go to the euro. All right. So we have a September 6. Highlight. Sum is positive 1. So go to the matrix 1. And then we go to September 7. Highlight for the September 7. And the sum is positive 5. Yan. Then for Wednesday, we have a September 8, negative 4. No, sorry, that's negative 5. Negative 5. All right. And then Thursday, September 9, we have 5, positive 5. And finally, for the Friday, for euro, we have negative 1. All right, now let's go to the pound. So September 6, negative 1. Okay, sa Tuesday, neutral siya, lumalabas, pero isang strong, isang weak, no? Halifax house pricing. So 0 na lang lagay natin. Kasi offset eh. And then we have September 10 na. Okay, a lot of events for Friday for pound, right? Balance of trade, okay, construction output, ayan. And the sum is positive 1. Then let's go with the yen. So we have a September 8, dalawang data lang, 2. And this has something to do with current account and GDP growth rate. So we are looking at a strong yen. Balikan natin yung US dollar, ano mga event? Total vehicle sales, IDP, jobs, job opening, crude oil, stock change, right? 10-year note auction, jobless claims, so mga employment data. And then we will have a speech from Fed. We have a PPI month-on-month and a wholesale inventories month-on-month. Okay, for euro, factory orders, construction PMI, we will have GDP growth rate, employment change, balance of trade, retail sales, unemployment data again, balance of trade, then ECB interest rate decision. All right. And we will have inflation rate, industrial production, month on month. Okay. For pound, all right. For yen, now let's go with the CHF. We have a neutral unemployment rate, no change. September 7. The 0 there. And then we will have NZD, none, all right. AUD, September 7, offset, no? Building permits, group services, RBA interest rate decision, watch out. All right. So 0 ito. September 7. Finally, we have the Canadian dollar or the loonie. So September 8, we have negative 2. 6, 7, 8. Negative 2. And then September 10, we have a negative 2. Alright, so ito po ang summary natin ng strengths. Now, how do we go about it? Ganito lang po. Okay. So, kung halimbawa, you have your base and term currency as what we have discussed. Pair, base yung kaliwa, term yung kanan. Alright. Now, kung ang base strong, alright, then your term is weak. Dapat ang position mo dito, buy. Alright? Dapat ang position mo dito, buy. Okay. Dapat naman yung term ang weak. Yung base, no? Yung base ay weak. And then yung term ang strong. At ang position mo dito ay sell sa pair na yan. Alright? So let's put the slash. There you go. Yung parehong strong, yung parehong weak, huwag nyo nang ititrade yun. Huwag nyo i-prepare yun for the same day. Alright, now, yung neutral at saka yung strong, hindi high probability pero tradable yun. Alright, so for example, now we have a strong base euro and weak, or hindi naman weak, neutral na terms. So we can actually consider pairing here si Euro GBP, alright? So let's say dito, si Euro tsaka si GBP, pwedeng dito ay buy Euro GBP para sa Martes. Pwede ka rin mag-buy Euro CHF na buy Euro AUD. Alright? Why? Because strong euro, okay, neutral pound, neutral franc, neutral AUD. Alright. Now, Wednesday, wala akong maire-recommend dyan na tradable simply because if you pair this with each other, parehong weak. Yung mga blank, huwag niyong galawin. Alright? Thursday, pahinga rin mo na, parehong strong yan. So, it's not advisable to trade the Euro USD on Wednesday and Thursday. You don't know where it's going. Alright? Oh, Monday pala. Meron tayong Monday. So, we have a strong Euro and a weak pound. Then we have a strong JPY. Alright? Therefore, here we can trade buy Euro GBP, which is actually 2 days consecutive pwede. And then we can also sell GBP JPY. Yan. Now, hindi porket meron ka ng ganito, pasok ka na agad Monday, pagising mo sell agad ng GBP JPY. Magtitingin po tayo sa charts natin. Alright? Yun po yung ating magiging gabay. Okay, Friday. So we have a strong pound, weak euro, weak USD, and a weak CAD. Therefore, here, what we can trade, we can do a buy GBP USD. We can do a sell Euro GBP. We can have a buy GBP CAD. That's it. Yan po yung mga trade ideas na na-generate natin because of the trade calendar or economic calendar na tinatawag. Ito po ang tinatawag na trade plan. Alright? So, you will have for Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. Alright. Now, ang masasuggest ko naman dyan, pwede nating hahanapin sa chart kung saan tayo papasok. So for example, we want to buy Euro GBP. Alright, so let me jump into my MetaTrader. Alright? Alright, so now I am looking at my Euro GBP. So this is the daily chart. From the looks of this, mukhang bearish. No? So kung gusto mo nang buy Euro GBP as what we are looking at here, you will have to spot a good support kung saan ka papasok. Alright, so let's check. Alright, so initially, guguhitan natin to. So obviously ito ay isang support. Right? Okay? Alright? Okay, kitang-kita. Ayan, nag-hold siya dito. Alright, nag-hold din yan dyan. Nag-resistance dito, no? Yan ito, may freak break lang, no? Pero nag-hold sa support. Binasag siya rito, nag-hold siya rito. So probably if the price went all this way to 0.85422, ready to bounce. But it has to go down first. Alright? So now let's check the H4. Yeah. It has to go down first. So probably mag-aantay tayo dito by limit. Alright? So be patient. Do not jump in right away. So pwede tayong magkaroon dito ng buy limit. Alright? 0.85422. Yan. Yan, pwede tayong mag-abang dito. Okay? And then, logically, lagyan natin ng stop loss. So ito, may nakikita akong, yan. This is actually support. Another support right here. That one, no? Yan. And then ito. Okay? The resistance dito. Alright? Ito rin. Okay. However, masyadong malapit yan, I recommend layo tayo konti. Yan. Mas maganda ganyan. Yan. Yan. Para medyo safe talaga. Okay? So ito ang gagawin mong stop loss. Ideal stop loss. 0.85215. Okay, now let's check the pips. It's more or less 20 pips. 209 points. So, 20 pips. Alright? Not bad. So, ngayon, kayo ang magtatansya sa inyong volume. Kasi ang, again, ibibigay ko na yung pips nito. This is 20 pips to SL. Yan ang kanyang risk. Alright? That's your risk. Now, ideal TP. Where's the resistance? Right. Balikan nga natin daily. Alright. Well, I guess dito, sa taas dito, ba natin konti. Now, let's check again the H4. Ang nga yan. Dito man lang. Yan, conservative. So, ito ang take profit natin. Okay, so let's do TP 0.85932. Okay, again, this is not guaranteed to be profitable. Kaya nga, inaantay natin muna na bumaba, huwag tayong papasok basta-basta nang hindi tayo naiipit. Alright? Because the situation is, once it reaches this level, the likelihood na pag umangat to is more on the direction na doon. Alright? And if ever bumaba man siya rito, for as long as hindi ka agad tatamaan yung stop loss mo, then the trade should be fine. Alright? Now let's check your TP pips. So if you're gonna buy here, your take profit is right there. That's 50 pips or 505 points. Alright, so ang risk natin for this trade is 20 bips, which is your risk. And your reward is a possible 50 pips. So you have more or less 1:2 na risk reward. Alright? So not a bad trade. Okay. So let's check the other trade ideas. What about your buy Euro CHF or your sell GBP JPY? Doon muna tayo sa GBP JPY. Alright, so let's pull your GBP JPY. Napin mo na lang dito. GBP JPY. There you go. Okay. So let's start with the daily chart. What do we want to do here? Do we want to buy it or do we want to sell it? Okay. Based on our calendar, what we want to do here is to sell it. Alright. Mukha naman siyang bearish, right? If you're gonna take a look at this, may trend line resistance, so that should be fine. However, where's the resistance? Pwedeng ito. And then where's the support? Probably this one. Huh? There's a more immediate support though, somewhere here. Now let's check the H4. Pwede. Pwede ngang agad-agad eh. Alright. So anyway, I guess this is okay. So, dito na tayo mag-stop loss. Yan. Banda dyan. So, be your stop loss. If you want to make it come back, pwede. Mga dito, alos manipis lang eh. Pero pwede na rin itong simulan eh. Alright? And then your take profit, kahit mga dito lang muna. So you sell either right away, no? Either at market or limit. Then if limit, 152.198. Alright? If sabi lang at market, whatever is the price of the market, you cannot take it. So sell either at market or limit o sell limit, ibig sabihin, 152.198. Alright, now your stop loss. Taas natin muna ng konti yung ano, atras ko tong konti. Yan. Para safe. Lalo na GBP to, no? Tapos GBP JPY pa. So medyo ilayo pa natin. Okay, one moment. Pardon me ha. Ayaw kasi bigyan kayo ng sobrang lapit na SL. Okay? Ito, pwede na. So stop loss 152.726. Yan. Then your take profit, lapit natin konti. Yan. 151.316. 151.316. Okay. So let's see your kung nag-limit ka dito, your SL is around 52 pips, medyo mahaba. Ang TP is around 88 pips. Alright? So 1:1.5 to. Okay? Medyo mas lalawak yung ano mo. Kung at market ka, adjust mo yung SL mo. Halimbawa, at market, dito ka na umabot ng sell. Yung stop loss, wag doon. Mga bandang, lagpas lang dito, lagpas lang dyan. So, itaas mo lang mga banda rito. Pwede ng SL yan. Alright? So I hope nakatulong sa inyo yung paano spot yung mga trade ideas, no? Gamit yung ating economic calendar and then blend it with chart, no? Yung technical analysis. Alright, so aking pa-disclaimer lang as again, wala pong guarantee, no, sa lahat po ng ating mga inanalyze. Ito po ay pawang mga forecast, no, o mga estimates lamang natin. But I still hope that we will have a profitable week. Happy trading, everyone. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, share our videos, no? And I hope you will learn from our session. Thank you very much. God bless.